Feel the rhythm, ignite your energy, and get ready to move. This rhythmic dance and focusing video presentation encourages everyone to stay active and live a healthy lifestyle through fun and dynamic dance routines. With every step, we boost our aerobic fitness, improve flexibility, and build muscular strength. Let the music guide your movement and inspire you to dance your way to a stronger, healthier, and more active life.
Sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Nung bata pa ako, tinuruan ako ng lolo ng tango. Sa doble bugi, rumba, itinuro ng tatay ko. Pinagsama-sama ko, kaya ako ngayon bibong-bibo. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin, Totoy Bibo. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Lagi akong niyayaya tuwing may piyesta, bentang-benta, lahat lumuluwang mata, at ako'y nakikita palapit na. It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's only me. Remember M, remember E, remember me, Totoy Bibo. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing kong sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing kong sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Di ko mapigilan, yumugyol ako sa tugtog. Lahat ay indak sumasabay, kay Totoy Bibo, kay Totoy Bibo. Ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Tango ka nga! Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Ay, ang galing, kaya nga! Rock and roll nga dyan! Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw.
Ang galing mo, Totoy Bibo, I love you!
Ang galing, galing niya sumayaw, galing niya gumalaw, galing niya sumayaw, galing niya gumalaw, galing niya sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Oh, ang galing, galing.
In conclusion, this dance routine boosts aerobic fitness, flexibility, and muscular strength, keeping our bodies strong, active, and healthy. So let's move, dance, and stay fit. Live a healthier lifestyle every day. Thank you.